Have you ever met a salesperson in your life? Probably yes. And did you know that they are the best CV creators in the world? You might be thinking, no way, Federico. How is possible? They are constantly trying to convince me to get a new credit card, another subscription, or an insurance that I don't want. Are you sure they are so great creating CVs? Absolutely. Over the last 2 years, I have met many of them. And eventually, we exchanged our LinkedIn profiles. And when I checked theirs, wow, no mistakes from the very beginning. They really cracked the system. Most likely, they never watched any of my YouTube videos about how to create high impact CVs and how to level up your LinkedIn profile. And if you haven't watched it, you must watch it. Share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel to learn more useful tricks. Going in depth, what they have cracked so well is focusing on results. Since the very beginning, they tell you, I have sold 4.2 million licenses. I sold 100,000 Teslas. Yeah, straight away to the business. They don't tell you, my work is to sell licenses. My work is to sell cars. There is nothing about that. There is no ambiguity in their work. It's crazy how amazing they are. And you might be thinking, how is it possible that they crack that so easily? What is their secret? Well, let me tell you that in comparison with the majority of jobs, they have something different, a different trigger that is called a commission. In the majority of their cases, they get no money if they don't sell anything. And it makes sense. Because if you're a salesperson, you need to sell. That's why you are hired. You're not hired to code something or to fix computers. You are hired to sell your services or the things that the company sells, the goods, anything. And that's why they have that trigger that I need to explain to the people that my work during the last year, I sold 100,000 licenses. I was able to create this amount of revenue to the organization. And that's why they are so clever writing CVs. Because in the majority of cases, it's well, my work as a coder is to write code or to fulfill the requirements from my clients. Well, in their case, it's all about money. It's a life or death sentence in a way. It's crazy. And that's why in their minds, it's all about results, results, results. If they want to get a new client, a new company, anything, they need to focus on how I explain to these people that I'm the best salesman and why you should give me the position. Crazy. It's incredible. That's why they always focus on results. In this case, I would like that we analyze this profile that is from Delia Jones. In her case, she works for a jewelry company and she created $4.2 million in revenues, building new relationships. Another case, she was able to sell new insurances and increase them in 26%. You can search for other examples on the internet, and I encourage you to check for salespeople on LinkedIn and check their profiles. Most likely, you will read examples like these ones. You will not read random things that are not necessarily the best ones. They always focus on the results because this is how they make their living. It's incredible. And you're thinking, no way, that's not going to happen. I'm going to outsmart the system. I'm going to use ChatGPT for that. Yeah, I also tried it. And what I did is that I asked ChatGPT to create me a profile of a senior software engineer working for Microsoft Windows. Incredible. It gave me all the description, all the responsibilities that you will have in that position. Great. How that makes you different? Your profile will look something similar to someone who thinks that can outsmart the system. But you're thinking, no way, but that's only in IT. That's why you get it. Let's check a different one. A nurse working during COVID-19 for the best hospital in Canada. You think that you can really outsmart the system? Trust me, the recruiters are going to do the same. And right now, there are some applications that are checking if this is generated by ChatGPT or other technologies. Don't try to outsmart the system. Focus on results, because that will be the difference between someone using ChatGPT or thinking in the old mindset and the future, because results are going to be more important than ever. Hopefully, I left you smarter than in the beginning. and you can join me in the future. It's time that you become an agent of change. See you the next time. Bye.